On this video, I'm gonna show you guys part of the trip for 2018 to Arkansas. This year, I had the pleasure to have my friend Adolfo to come along with me. Adolfo rode down from Orlando, Florida, and he wanted to explore some of the Arkansas beautiful back roads. So he came along. We met here in Hernando, Mississippi. So we head up to Arkansas. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And remember, guys, keep the bike off the ditches. So where we heading today, Adolfo?
We're going to Arkansas, baby.
Yeah, we're gonna explore the Ozarks,
Ozark Mountains.
We're gonna head to Branson, Missouri, Eureka Spring, Harrison, Hot Spring. So,
hot diggity dog.
Okay, right now we're leaving Hernando, getting into the highway, highway I-55 North, heading towards Memphis, Tennessee. Right now we're going through the Hernando Desoto Bridge, just the bridge that connects from Tennessee, Arkansas. Okay, this area footage we got on highway State Road 14, heading towards Newport. Okay, we stopped at this restaurant in Newport called Franco. Pretty good restaurant in Newport, Arkansas. This is the Newport, Arkansas bridge, metal bridge, pretty old bridge. Okay, right now we're going through this about 5 mile scenic route on State Road 341. It's called the Push Mountain Road. It's north of Mountain View. It's about 5 miles of scenic road. It's very nice, and definitely next time I get back to Arkansas, I'm probably gonna go through it again. Very scenic, a lot of twisty, lazy twisted, Getting into the Peel Ferry, Arkansas. We're about to take the ferry that's going to take us to Missouri, eventually getting into Branson, Missouri. Unfortunately, I was very limited on flying the drone. I was having issue with my application, DJI application, so I was very limited on how far I could fly. I was very disappointed. I was looking forward to actually follow the ferry with the drone and get more scenic view through the Peel ferry. But this is as much I was able to get from the drone footage.
Holiday, man.
Say hi to Elvis when you're in Branson.
Diamonds so pearl, hand on the moon and take you travel the world. But I can love you, yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got, but fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you.
We are getting into Branson, Missouri. This is just the outside of Branson, Missouri, and pretty much this is our last leg for day one of our trip.